How to join a party in Disney Speedstorm. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, we are gonna be learning how you can easily join a party in Disney Speedstorm, which is a fun way to compete together and enjoy multiplayer races. First of all, launch open Disney Speedstorm game on your device. Log in with your account's credential and from the main menu, go ahead and tap on the Party Up Plus button at the top. If you don't have the Party Up feature yet, you need to unlock it first. After you've unlocked them, tap the plus button and then click on Join Party button. Now from here, you will be able to search the party via party code. Type in the party code in the text box and click on search. If your party code that you've received is correct, you'll then be able to join into the party. Your friend can also send you a party invitation in-game. Accept the invitation and you'll automatically join their party. After joining in, you'll see a waiting lobby with the host and other party members. So that's how you will be able to join into a party in Disney Speedstorm. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back in the next video. Thanks for watching.